The 2019 Volkswagen Arteon is gearing up for its U.S. market release. The replacement for the swoopily styled CC sedan, the sharper-looking Arteon is positioned to go more upmarket, even if isn't reaching towards the sumptuous heights where the Phaeton once resided. The Arteon was unveiled for Europe a year ago in Geneva, and the time has now come for the sedan to make it westward. The only engines available for the Arteon anywhere are 4 cylinders, and the most powerful iteration of the 2.0 TSI is the sole option for American Arteons, offering 268 horsepower in American spec. An 8-speed automatic and front-wheel drive are standard on the Arteon, but it can be ordered with 4-motion all-wheel drive if required.